Hi guys, welcome back to another video of me and my Phantom Coyote. I need a purple long, and today we have here Flamestar, a little buddy that I have. We're good friends. Definitely go check him out. He's Kel. This is a collab. I guess we're gonna start trade. We're gonna trading, or I don't know, maybe us collabing will attract some attention from sure. Okay, I guess we could like maybe anyways, yeah, for my list, it's super juicy. It's worth a few den beds. It's worth a few den some non-glossies, my pink long, and all that good stuff. Yeah. I should change into my article, really. Even though I really like my coyote, yeah. Okay, so what? Okay, yeah. And me, my list, guys. I'm also at an Engine Spike giveaway from Keystay, however you say that. But I subscribed and everything, so I told her BRB because I'm obviously doing this collab with Flamestar and I can't give up on him, so I'm not. But I'm looking really nice, and I always have the weird background music or background sounds, and I don't know why, but I wanted to play music, but I'm at an Animal Jam giveaway by Keystay, so I wouldn't be able to hear that at all. Is this Pepper? Yes, it is Pepper. That's some nice art. It's Pepper. Bep. Beps. Bips. And shout out to Casey for giving me this. And you guys, guess how I got this black ice bike? I was at Chop Queens. Or no, it was River Song, AJ's live stream. I think this is fair, but I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to decline. Even though that's fair, I traded red candy cane, not these ones, but the lighter reds for this, but now it's worth like one den beta, at least. I really need to unbuddy this girl, but okay. I'm gonna dance and just totally ignore her because we're gonna have a good time here. It's always a good time. Whoa, I'm sorry. We don't even have to fight. It's always a good time. Wow. I'm gonna ask him, do you think you could afford a purple? Oh, well, that's so sad. I guess. Oh my gosh, she's getting exposed by Flamestar. This girl is getting exposed and we're literally both recording. Oh my gosh, this girl is getting exposed. Man, wait. Oh, she only has one penguin, obviously. This girl is getting exposed. Oh, exposed. She did? I'm gonna ask she did. Because I didn't look at her. She did? Oh my gosh, she is getting exposed. Oh, sure they are. Thought you said your sister gave them to you. Your sis. I thought you said your sis gave them to you. I'm sorry, but leave my den. Yeah, guys, for the first time in forever, I'm finally embodying this scammer. Yeah, bye. I've made 2 videos and she's tried to scam me in them with the lie I'm so unrare. Liar. Guys, lie. Lie! Did you catch her list on camera? On vid? If he did, she'd be exposed. Exposed. You guys enjoy. Oh gosh. Channel. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this girl getting exposed. Oh! I'm gonna make a ninja face. She got exposed. Oh, she was undercover. She got exposed. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye.